Want to excel in your job interview or not getting recognized at your workplace and you want to stand out? Or maybe you simply want to learn new things and stay updated with what's happening in the world. You have come to the right place. Welcome to the learning series of Trof Training. We present you bite-sized videos for your quick knowledge. Let's quickly jump to today's video of our first series, Reading Financial Statements. Did you know that the financial statements of any company are public documents? So what is a public document? Public document means anyone can access those financial statements and read them. For listed companies, those companies which you see on BSC, NSCs on the stock exchange are listed companies. And for those companies, the financial statements are available on their websites. Just search for annual report. And for unlisted companies, which are private limited companies mostly, you can pay a nominal fees of 100 rupees and download it from the MCA website. Do you or any of your family members own shares of a listed company? For example, Reliance, Tata, someone somewhere would have purchased some shares. And if you have, then you will get a book every year, which is called the annual report. The annual report consists of a lot of things, but most importantly, these 5 things. The first one is the financial statement, which gives you an account of the overall year of the company. Second is the director's report, which presents you how the management of the company has anticipated the future years and the current year. Auditor's report will certify, where the auditor will certify the financial statements. The last two is the business responsibility statement, which is a disclosure on responsible business practices adhered by any company. And the corporate governance report is a disclosure on overall corporate governance system and adherence to the code of conduct by the company. So the last two are required only by a listed company and not by all companies. One more thing which is important is, of the entire annual report, the auditor certifies only the financial statements. Yes, all the other things that you see in the annual report are statements by the company and not certified. I hope this video was useful and knowledgeable for you. If you have learned something today, please like, share or subscribe. You can also go to our Instagram page and check our daily learning series with the hashtag learnwithtrof. Happy learning. Thank you for seeing our video.